Hi, this is John from the Discovery Museum, and today I want to show you how you can make your own sound sandwich.
For this project, you'll need 2 craft sticks, 2 pieces of straws, a wide rubber band, and 2 small rubber bands. First, you'll want to take a rubber band, your wide rubber band, and put it around one of the craft sticks. So from one end up to the other end. Then you can take one of your straws and you put it up between the rubber band and the stick. Your other stick you can place on top. So you'll take one of your other rubber bands and you'll wrap it around until it's nice and tight. I had a pretty big rubber band, so I had to wrap it around a lot of times. So now your other straw will go between the 2 sticks on over the rubber band. And your last rubber band will be used to keep that side tight. Ta-da!
To play your completed sound sandwich, you just blow into it. If you want to try to get other sounds, you could move where the straws are, or you can try squeezing it. So from the Discovery Museum, we hope you have fun buzzing. Bye.